Hello, everybody, again. Question number 3. So, Philip went to the supermarket and bought 8 bottles iced tea. And the bottles of iced tea are supposed to contain 5 milliliter. So, the 8 bottles was selected and the volumes measured. We measured them with the Philip, okay? And we write it down the values over here, the milliliters. Calculate the estimate of the mean and the standard deviation. It's not sexy, just 1y more. Just go to your calculator. List 4, I already typed them in. So till those 8 values are over here. So calculate first variable. Make sure that go to the set. And the first variable is list 4, from list 4. Okay. And then calculate it. Then the sample mean is 499 milliliter. And the standard deviation is, this is the sample standard deviation, okay? So standard deviation is 1.9493. So write it down all. As long as it doesn't say it's 3 significant figures, just write it down all. 5886. Okay. And then test 5 significance level, the null hypothesis. So they said, let's say 5 milliliter, and the alternative hypothesis, no, it's less than 5 milliliter. Okay, what we need to do, menu, go to exit menu and then statistic, test statistic, T statistic, because we do not know the standard population standard deviation. One sample, the samples from list, right? List 4. So we say the alternative hypothesis is less than mean null. Mean null is the null hypothesis is 500 gram. So let's see. I'm just looking at the p-values, right? When you have tests, you need to type them in like t-test. Okay, and then the alternative hypothesis is less than mu null. Mu null is 500, so it's from the list. And then p value is equal to 0.095. So what does that mean? That means, let's say this is the null hypothesis, and then I'm looking for 0.05%. This is my significance level. So my test statistic is 0.9, which is right over there, right? So what I'm going to do, I will accept the null hypothesis. It's 500 gram. Oops. Okay. We are not looking for the greater than, right? It's actually over here. Sorry about that. So 0.05, your test statistic still here in the confidence level area, not this area. So I accept the null hypothesis. Okay, a random size, B is a different question. A random size of 4 is taken from distribution, the normal distribution. This is the mean and this is the variance. Never forget, we always write the variance here. Standard deviation, square root of this. Calculate the probability that sum of the sample values is less than 250 milliliters. So 4, we are taking 4. Then the new normal distribution is gonna be 4 bottles like 60 plus 60 plus 60. And then the variance is gonna be 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36. Of course, I can write it down 4 times this, 4 times this. Maybe you may get confused when I 4 times 60 and then 4 times 60. Maybe you may say that, hey, Herkutsu, you said that the variance is square root of this, right? Yes, when the size is like doubled. Right now, the sizes are the same. I'm just taking the same samples, okay, the same bottles. Now, this is new normal distribution, which is 240, and the variance is 144. What I am looking for, the probability sum is less than 250, right? Okay, what I need to do again, go to the menu, statistic, and then distribution, normal distribution, normal cumulative distribution, not from list, from variable. So the lower is 0 milliliter, the upper is 250 milliliter, and standard deviation is square root of square root of 144, mean is 250, and the probability is sum less than 250 is equal to 0.798. That's it. I hope it's understood. Okay, let's go to the question number 4, but number 4 is clear enough. So the answers, the PDF, the number 4 is clear enough. I'm not gonna solve number 4 actually. Okay, if you want, you can let me know. I can solve it.